Hello everybody, this is Eric Redjet 505 with another unique video to something that I purchased for my collection and actually for my protection at my shop. I like to have different things, so I got this. This is a special pair of socks. Let me show you what there is. They come with a special California locks. You open the lock and then you open and remove this. I'm gonna explain about it a bit later. And then you open that and look at this beautiful sock that I got. This is a brand new sock. It's for on-road, off-road, and you can do whatever you want. It's very stretchy, it's very comfortable, okay? And oh, what do you know? Look what they put inside a gun. I don't get it. Who put a gun inside of my socks? I guess this is the new Desert Eagle that I ordered. Okay, well, I ordered a sock, and the sock was supposed to be a sock with a Desert Eagle on it, and they sent me entire gun inside of it. How cool is that? But the problem is I have one sock only and a gun, so I guess I'm not gonna use the socks anymore, only the gun. So this is my new Deagle, my new Desert Eagle. Those guns are made in USA and made in Israel. Magnum Research in cooperation with Israeli company developed this gun, and it's pretty powerful and it's pretty heavy. This thing weighs about 4.5 pounds. It's currently empty. Okay, let's release it. It's currently empty. There is no ammo inside, and we're gonna convert it. Right now it's come with an 8 clip magazine, and those are gonna be a 44 Magnum. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna convert this to a 50 Magnum, because if you already need to do the job, do it right, and have a 50 is actually stronger, more impact, and it's gonna be a much nicer rifle gun. And what I ordered actually a new top for it, a new barrel with muzzle brake on the top, and a 50 caliber, and it's getting delayed right now because of everything going on with the COVID-19. So hopefully it's going to get here soon, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do the conversion. Those guns are really cool when you open them up. I just want you to see something. It's pretty hard to do. Look how long this thing is, okay? This is pretty much huge. One second, let me get my measuring tape. Okay, this thing open, when you open it up, just so you understand how big this thing is, this is 12 inches. When you open the gun from side to side, let's put it the right way, right there. This is a 12.25 inch gun when it's open, of course. The way that this gun is working, it's very close to kind of like an AR and everything, with the way that the hammer work over there. It's pretty big bore over there, but again, this part's gonna get replaced right now, so we're gonna put on it the 50. We can just close it, gently release, so we're not dry firing it. And this is my new Desert Eagle, and we're gonna take it to the shooting range and do some cool shooting with it. And I just want to tell you something. You know, like, people think that guns are expensive. Guns are expensive, but what more expensive is the ammo. This gun shoot every bullet, it's about $2, and the bigger bullet, they are about $3 a piece. It's a lot of money. I think it's a ridiculous amount of money, but if you need to protect yourself and you want to have some fun, this is something that is going to be neglectable about how much money is your safety. You know, so for me, it's for sport shooting, and I'm going to show you guys a cool conversion and everything that we're going to do with this beautiful monster. It's have on the top the rail that we're going to put on it, actually a red dot and couple scope, and try to show different option. But again, first we need to wait for the conversion for it. Again, this is Eric Redjet 505, just showing you guys one of my new toys, and we're gonna start an entire new channel just for all the guns and all the gun builds that I'm doing. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you can be informed. Now, if you want to see any specific weapon, just let me know and I'm gonna go purchase it and show it. Now, let's go back to that. This is a joke. It's a complete joke. This is in the state of California. This is supposed to go through the barrel of the gun, and in order to prevent people from using it, it's usually to prevent kids from using it. But the point is that they're claiming that if someone steals your gun, okay, they're not going to be able to use it because you have this on, and I will have this key at home or in my pocket. You see this tiny, 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 tiny key that go into this tiny, tiny hole? This is what they're saying that will protect it. So one way is to close it from the outside. I like to close it this way for now. The reason that you need to do this stupidity is if the police stop you and check your vehicle while you're driving somewhere for any routine check. You don't want to get in trouble, and you need to obey by the California law. Just so you know, if you're new to gun, this can be a felony if you have a gun that is not locked in your trunk. Do some research if you're going to be buying a gun. If you're a first-time gun owner, always make sure that it's locked. You want to put a solid lock. I'm just doing it here as a joke right now this way. You need to have a solid lock here, and you need to lock your gun, the trigger. I want to show the cool box of Magnum Research that arrived with this beautiful gun, and it's weigh a lot. I absolutely loving this, and we're gonna take it to the shooting range, and we're gonna shoot it and show you guys how much recoil it's have. I already have a couple people that are gonna abuse and let them shoot that and show you like how the gun just pushed them backwards. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And then if you forgot, I am making those one. They are 3D printed. Those are all the ammunition that we already shot that we're selling for $10 as a paperweight. It's just plastic with old ammo. And then we have those new ones that have magnets on them for the refrigerator. Those are going for $15. If you like to get one, contact me below and we can get you one. It's pretty cool because they are kind of pulling one another. They will pull one another. If you hold them, they will just turn themselves out. Look at this. They're just causing themselves to turn when you're holding them. This is it. Eric, Redjet 505. See you in my next video. I hope that you like guns. Bye.